Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame did bounce from the 78%, but it did not make an engulfing move down, so we cannot say for sure that this really is going down. The trend is for sure down on the higher time frame, so I mean it could definitely make a lower high, and continue the downtrend. But there's definitely no proof of that yet. So I will be looking for longs on sort of time frames still. I mean, there is probably a better chance that this does something like this, like an ABC takes out the high before it actually does continue back down. But you never know. So if it engulfs down, I definitely will start looking for shorts again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up right here is very, very sideways overlapping. So we're probably going to get at least one more push down. I would say this is either an A or one. I would say we're either in a wave B or a wave two right now. So if it goes up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes it a golfing turn to the downside, you can take it as a short. Then you can find out if it engulfs down on the daily and gives us a break of structure like this, or you can find out while you're short whether it makes a wave C and then turns back up like this and continues the daily time frame move to the upside that we're currently in. So that's kind of like what I always call learning and earning at the same time, whether you're in a wave three, whether you're in a wave three, or whether you're in a wave C. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.